So let me show you how to set up Apple Cash on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. So what you want to do is go to your wallet. Okay, so just find wallet, and then on the home page of the wallet app, you will see cash. So this is Apple Cash. So tap on that and then tap on setup now. Now it's gonna say send and receive money from messages or wallet and schedule recurring payments like allowances. So what you need to do now is hit on continue. It's gonna ask for Face ID, and then you'll see the terms and conditions, which of course you have to read. And then after reading, tap on agree, and then it's gonna start setting up Apple Cash. Now it's gonna ask you to verify your identity. So tap on continue, scan your face, and then confirm that that's your legal name, and then continue, put in your address, and then tap on the check mark and confirm. And then it's going to ask for your full social security number and date of birth, which of course you need to enter. And next step is to verify your ID. So you need to scan your driver's license. And once you scan your driver's license and continue with the on-screen instructions, then you're going to fully enroll or set up Apple Cash. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.